Right now we're going to be adding ginger and garlic to our beans. So some people would like to use a peeler like this, but as you can see, the ginger has all kinds of sides to them, so I generally will not use it. I will just go ahead and cut our ends off and then just follow down the sides to take the skin off. Alright, once I've taken the skin off, I look for pieces that may not be good, and then I can just go and cut them out. Then we're going to go ahead and dice up our ginger very fine. And then we're going to do the same to our 2 cloves of garlic.